Ora bafethu, igama lami uCebo Mwakazulu Sibongo. Bengicela nje ukuthi sibukele i-video before sikhulume.
Cause abanye abangeni lapha cause mhlasimpe imali iningi ekhaya uthanda ukuspenda imali no.
Yeah,
Ungena ngoba kunzima ngisho nanokuthola iplate siya.
yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah.
The amazing thing about iwonga ngisho noma ungancola kanjani. Ucosha noma yini emgaqweni ibulala yonke lento le ekuthiwa i-sense. You don't feel anything. You don't shame.
Yeah,
Athi umuntu ayibonaba nje bayakwazi ukuphanda. Ngiphanda ngoba kuthini? It's because I've given up.
yeah,
Kahle ipara wakes up in the morning walking the walk of shame every day,
yeah,
but not knowing that they're shaming. You understand?
yeah.
Bona they banjela ukuthi ulapho arrosta. Ulapho yazi kuphela u10 years ya. Kuyiphara ngathi kuseyinyanga yokuqala. Ngendlela esidideke ngayo emqondweni.
Okay bafethu, igama lami mina uCebo Mwakazulu Sibongo. So the reason why ngicela ukuthi sibukele i-video is because kune-picture le video e-creator kumina. There's some sort of motivation engiyitholayo kule video. I understand ukuthi i-video is talking about ama-drugs, ukuthi ama-drugs abulala kanjani i-sensitivity kumuntu. You understand? Because umuntu once eqala eza ama-drugs uphelelwa yilento le ewunembeza. Umuntu akabi nendaba ukuthi omunye umuntu umbheka ngaliphi iso, akanendaba ukuthi ungcole kangakanani, but yena the only thing ayilwelayo ukuthi kumele avuke ehambe yohasila ezama impilo. And a drug addict akanje akavuki nje uvuka like ekuseni kakhulu eyozama. But the only problem about this person ukuthi he's not only hustling for ukuphila impilo engcono, he's hustling for uphinde futhi eyothenga lento ezomlimaza. So i-motivation engitholayo kule video ukuthi if you are a person who want to be successful, if you are a person who want to see yourself living a better life compared to the life that you are living right now, why don't you live like a drug addict? Why do you have a shame where else you don't have anything ezokuphilisa? Why are you ashamed ukuvuka uye estradini uyozama? Why do you care so much about people abangenandaba nawe? Because sometimes we care too much about what people will say, where else those people, they don't care ukuthi wena uphila impilo enjani. So what I'm learning kule video ukuthi if you want to be successful empilweni, sometimes you need to forget about ukuthi izwe likubuka njengomuntu onjani. As long as you want to be successful, take ishame uyimuvele esayidini and focus empilweni ulwe. If it takes you to be ukuthi ungcole ubukeke njengohlanya, you have to do that so that impilo yakho izoshintsha. Because sometimes uNkulunkulu kunezinye izinto akubonisa zona empilweni. It's not like ukubonisa lezo zinto because bekumele uyibone, but ezinye izinto siyayibonela kude, like seeing someone who is a drug addict. Lonto leyo sometimes as umuntu kumele kufundisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu sometimes uyakubonisa ezinye izinto ukuthi you know what, I don't want you to be there, but I want you to see ukuthi if you are doing into efana nalena, you become this. So ezinye izinto ziyi-blessing sometimes mawuzibona. Ezinye izinto ziyi-blessing because you don't have to experience lonto leyo for you to see ukuthi kwenzakalani if wenza into ethile, but you only see it from a far distance. So my advice to people like me, people who want to see themselves achieving ama-goals wabo, achieving amaphupho wabo, start to live like an addict. Forget about what the world sees you, how the world sees you. Forget about what people will say about you. Forget about everything. Focus on what you want to do. Focus on your dreams. Yilwa, qinisela, impilo izoshintsha.